Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things products. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at the Axe Car Air Freshener Gel Can in the Dark Temptation scent. If you're on the hunt for the best Axe Car Freshener refills, you've just found your next car essential. Let's dive in and see what makes this air freshener a must-have for your vehicle. First, let's talk about the fragrance. The Axe Car Air Freshener Gel Can is infused with the signature Dark Temptation scent, which is a warm, alluring blend of chocolate, spice, and vanilla. This fragrance is bold and sophisticated, perfect for those who want their car to smell as good as they feel. It's a scent that lingers without being overpowering, making it ideal for daily use or for when you're driving around with friends. Now, when it comes to functionality, the Axe Gel Can is a powerhouse. It's designed as a gel, which means it's going to last longer than your typical spray or vent clip. The gel works through passive diffusion, gradually releasing the fragrance over time and effectively neutralizing unwanted odors. Whether it's food, smoke, or just everyday car smells, this air freshener takes care of it. The gel doesn't just mask odors, it eliminates them, keeping your car smelling fresh for weeks. Another great thing about this air freshener is its convenience. Each pack comes with 4 4.4-ounce cans, so you're stocked up for a long while. You can place the can anywhere in your vehicle where you think it will have the most impact, whether it's under the seat, in the cup holder, or tucked into the center console. The compact design makes it super easy to set up, and you don't need to worry about any complicated installation or maintenance. What sets this product apart is its ability to balance effectiveness with simplicity. Axe is known for its bold scents, and this air freshener is no different. The gel form is effective at tackling strong odors and ensures that your car smells amazing without the need for constant reapplication. And with the long-lasting fragrance, you can enjoy the Dark Temptation scent every time you step into your car. The Axe Car Air Freshener Gel Can doesn't just make your car smell good, it transforms the driving experience. No more worrying about embarrassing smells when you have friends in the car or when you pick up a date. Instead, you'll have a vehicle that exudes freshness and confidence. It's a simple upgrade that can make a big difference in the overall vibe of your car. So, if you're tired of those fleeting air fresheners that don't live up to the hype, give the Axe Car Air Freshener Gel Can a try. With its powerful odor elimination, long-lasting scent, and sleek design, it's one of the best air fresheners you can get for your car. Make sure to check out the Dark Temptation scent, and trust me, you'll want to keep it in your car all year long. That's it for today's review. If you liked this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Product Critique for more product insights and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.